How to change address on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change address on Shopee. First of all, open up Google Chrome. Now search for Shopee login. Go to the Shopee website. Log in to your Shopee account on the site. Click on the profile icon in the top right. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner and change it to a desktop site. Refresh the page. Now click on My Account. Click on Addresses. Now click on Add New Address. Enter the new address and then click on Submit. Or you can click on Edit and change the existing address. That's how you can change address on Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.